White Ranger's loaded, canopy's tight, single axle rolling, everything's right. We're leaving the city, leaving the noise, just a dad and a mom and our two little joys.
Okay, welcome back everyone.
Hello. Morning.
So it's a very brisk, fresh morning this morning. It is extremely foggy. We can barely see in front of us. I don't know how much we can see here. We are following Ben. Not sure we can even see him in front of us. I don't even know what we're recording on at the moment. I'll hand the camera over to Kim while I'm driving. So we decided during the week, being that we're on school holidays, we'd take the girls for a day trip out to Toorongo Falls and actually go to the Waterfalls, because we were camping out there. We didn't actually go out that way. Just 1 second. Yeah, the next left, we'll take that one and head down to the freeway. So yeah, we thought we'd take them to Toorongo Falls and actually do the walk up there and suss it out. Ben's ankle's better now, so
Not sure today was the best day to choose.
probably not the best day to do it. But look, not sure how much we're going to be able to see.
Might see snow.
It may snow. Now keep going, keep going, keep going. It's a main road. Probably shouldn't have Benny driving in the lead, because clearly
He's got no idea where he's
doesn't know how to
going.
get to the freeway. But God help us.
Scenic route.
We've already taken a scenic route. There are detours everywhere. I don't know why they wait until the school holidays to start all the roadworks around this place. But welcome to Victoria, the place not to bloody be, I'm telling you right now. But yes, it is 10:15 and I can barely see Ben in front of us. So yeah, we'll keep moseying on down, see what we can find. We need to stop somewhere and get something for lunch along the way. We tend to try and stop in one of the local towns and grab something out there. We'll stop at IGA or one of the little supermarkets or something. Go from there. We'll end up having a barbecue or something out there. We might light a fire if the kids are good. As the kids all know, the car's always loaded with lots of goodies. So we might even do some marshmallows and s'mores and things. If they don't annoy me too much.
Clearly they forgot.
Did you bring marshmallows?
Pardon?
Did you bring marshmallows?
I've always got marshmallows in the car.
Yay!
And I've got chocolate biscuits.
Yummy!
So
And you got chocolate pressed munch?
I've got the chocolate biscuits that we use. So we got chocolate biscuits and we got marshmallows, so that's all we need.
She's crazy.
So, but anyway, alright, I think that's about it for now. We'll leave it. There's not much else to see.
Just fog.
I've got the dash cam going. I might see if I can figure that out and get some footage from that of the drive later on. But until then, we'll leave it at that and touch base with you again. Oh yeah, you did too because you didn't know what you're doing. That's right.
Yeah.
It's a slow look. Do I bring the bag?
No, why?
Blue one. Oh. They're noisy. I know my friend.
Round trip. So that's 45 minutes in. All right, everyone say hello.
Hello!
Hi. Hello.
All right, and
Hello.
Gabby's got a camera. She's going to make her own video today. The kids are going to take it in turns. All right, you just want to head off?
To the waterfall.
We're down at Toorongo Falls today. I don't know how good this is going to show up. We've got the new camera, so we're going to show a bit of this. Explains a lot about the artwork on the stump. Is an acknowledgement to the First Nations people who have lived, visited and cared for this land. Does not seek to represent all First Nations connections to this area, as there are varied stories. This is for the big log and tree up here. I don't know if my microphone's connected yet, but I don't know which one's connected. But that is some pretty cool work. Show you some more of that on the way out. I need to now catch up. Everyone's run away on me. This is the walk to the falls. It's flowing pretty fast.
So icy and fun.
What's wrong?
It would be freezing.
Kim doesn't like the cold. Oh, I just ran. I don't know if you guys know. I don't like walking. Oh, we made it to the waterfalls. We can go home now.
It's only been like about 5 minutes.
Hello! I'm back!
Which way we going? It's only that way. There's a road get away. We could duck under it. All we can see. But all we can see is the waterfall.
The rocks will be slippery as. So probably a nice 3 to 4 degrees out here today. How are you finding it, mate?
Yeah, a bit chilly.
Leave the kids and go. Nels likes that idea.
Maddie doesn't, she's already come looking for us.
An animal on.
It's like the tongue, where the tongue is. Underneath. There's an animal. Oh yeah, I see it now. It's right there.
So
That cabin, the honky.
years ago when Kim and I were young and stupid, we actually came up here and I think we may have carved something into a tree.
We're definitely headed the right way.
We probably won't be able to find it again, but
You never know.
we'll have to see how we go and keep walking and see what we can find at the top of the hill. But for now, we have to keep an eye on the track and see what happens.
Look, Daddy, who's here?
There's stairs.
Can I go first?
If you want to go first, you can. At least then if you fall over, we get it on camera. There's a lot of people that have come here and
Graffitied on trees.
confess their love for one another. But
Yeah. Is it? That could end badly.
I just hope Ben doesn't go down. It's a bit fresh. My watch just, it's cold. Another tree. I think we did it on the left though. Oh, another tree. Where are they? They're gone. Well, this has turned into like a romantic little day for us with no kids.
Doesn't it?
How good's that?
For now. Until Madison starts. I'm hungry.
Oh, look, we got another one.
Yeah, but that's not.
No, I think it was more.
That was more at one of the lookouts. I think. I don't think we would have done it like halfway. But then again,
I don't know.
we
I think I was
would
probably
have.
too worried I'd get in trouble, so I think I did.
When are you worried if you're going to get into trouble?
There wasn't many done back then, so hopefully we didn't start a trend.
We possibly did, considering the fact that tree was pretty loaded.
Every time I see big bushes,
But we're talking,
13 years.
when was the first time we came here?
13 years.
Oh gosh.
It's, you know, little. Oh, come on, that's just lazy. They've written it on it in text stuff.
A lot of people have. You're not at the lookout yet though,
right there! Keep going!
Benny.
Look at it!
Benny, who were you here with? Oh, I thought they said Taz for a minute. It's TA25 though. Nearly got yourself in trouble, mate.
No, I haven't been here with anybody but you. You're my only love. At least sound like you believe me.
You
Hey?
knew about this place before I did, so who knows?
It wasn't K and J forever, was it? I think it was. Was it that? Kim and Josh forever? Yep.
I reckon that's it.
I think that's it.
I reckon it is too.
That's it. Because we did it on the way out.
Yeah. Which is why it's on the left, on the way out.
I reckon that's it.
It's hard to know.
No, I reckon it is. I reckon that's it.
It could be. It looks familiar. But the kind of...
Because I reckon, I remember slipping trying to do the heart. I put money on it, that's it.
That's still pretty well embedded in there though. It kind of looks like...
My chicken
Actually,
scribble.
our sign that we did
It was always and forever.
was a for and ever written like that.
Exactly. That's what makes me is thinking that's that.
Yeah.
After 13 years, our love is still going strong. And we're still embedded here at Toorongo Falls.
In a tree.
In a tree.
Can we come when it's sunny next time though?
Okay, we'll see.
At least it's not raining.
Well, it's not raining.
No.
What's the statute of limitation for vandalism? Because
well, they got to find the other millions of people that was. Well, but you've just.
I know, I just admitted to that.
Oh, slippery.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we're nearly at the lookout. We're nearly there.
And you got to carry me back here.
Oh, we'll just slide. I'll turn the camera off and just push it in.
That could hurt.
You can take the waterfall down. You are?
We found it!
What did you find?
The waterfall!
Are they special?
Look!
Are they good?
Look! There's a campground just behind the waterfall.
Really? Died?
Died. Oh. Can I hold? But look up there. The cave and Is this where you showered?
Hey?
Is this where you showered?
Yeah. We went up there and showered. Me and my mate.
You're in there.
We found it. K&J forever. We found it in the tree.
Let's keep climbing.
So, this is what
Let's go!
the massive walk.
Go there!
Oh.
Go!
Gold, it looks like gold, doesn't it?
It probably is gold! Can we go down there and get it?
You want to go get gold?
Yeah!
You'll freeze before you get the gold out of there. I'll eat.
We get the gold!
Wait. Gabby.
Alright, I'm going to leave that there for a minute. We're going to walk back down. Alright, they've decided to continue to walk. I don't know that I've
It
done
goes
this
back
bit.
to the car park.
So we're going to continue to walk. See where it takes us. Seems as though Gabby's killed the camera already. I don't think she has. I think the screen probably just went off.
So we could re-record
Benny,
the inside of
where's the
Benny's
camera?
pocket.
Shouldn't have gone flat.
The screen's probably gone to sleep.
Still got a full battery. Yeah, I'll take the camera. It's recording. It's the and a lookout. We haven't been here. We'll see what happens.
Gustav. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
We went the same way we came. Everyone's safe.
Just film my butt.
So underneath platform.
Ollie, come here.
Ollie's out.
All right, guys. Big smiles, Maddie. Big smiles. Come on.
Maddie, look what I got.
I got you lollies. Maddie, one smile. Come on, quickly. Or just look at me quickly.
Maddie.
That's scary enough as it is.
Yeah, I know.
Madison.
Maddie, one. Yeah. Ollie, come here. Please, buddy. I'll hold your hand.
Maddie.
If it can hold my weight, buddy, it can hold your weight. Come on. You guys want to jump in for a photo?
Maddie.
Yes. Charlotte, Adelaide.
There you go. Don't like it.
Where you going?
Right away. Too close.
Boss me around.
Okay. All right. Jump in, guys.
It'll be on. This screen's going to sleep.
We'll see how good it is. Benny just took one of us. Didn't you get in it?
Yeah. I mean us.
Oh, just us.
Oh, yeah, here you go. I'll get one of you guys.
Like, that's what I said. Just us. And you're like,
Oh.
yeah, right.
Smile. Yeah, there we go. Ollie, buddy, you're okay.
Ollie's not a big man of heights, so that was a bit hard for him. You are so... Oh, do I want to know something cool?
Do you know how you can tell the difference? Like, if you spot an alpine dingo,
How?
their tail has like a white hoof that comes off the end of it.
Like a husky.
Yeah. all alpine dingoes have that little white, like snow coloured.
There you go. A bit of trivia from Uncle Benny that I'll probably never use. But thanks for telling us, Benny.
Yeah, that's right. The more you know, you know.
The more you know, the less you can use. No, I didn't record our conversation about lyrebirds, but it's on the dash cam, so we can probably. Whoop. I can probably dig it up.
I reckon Sol burnt the house down. Or chewed the legs off the chair.
Where'd you leave the dogs? In the dining room?
Yeah. We shut everything else off and put the bin in the laundry.
Oh, God help you.
Little Turn was chewing the table legs.
Oh, really?
Yep, so I put Tabasco sauce on it.
Oh,
He doesn't bite it now.
Benny and Nell's just got a new puppy to go along with Luna, the big puppy they've already got, and it's training time all over again. But that'll be fun and games for you. I saw the video on Facebook that you put up with him with his head in the nacho bag,
Yeah.
or the Dorito bag, or whatever it was.
I looked away for 2 seconds and then I looked back again and he's running around with a chip bag on his head.
He full on had his whole head in a chip bag, Kim. This wasn't a terrible walk, and I'll tell you what, you know, you can thank me for bringing out this perfect, beautiful day to do this on.
Is that you?
He's laughing at me.
No, that was a fart.
Oh. Could have used that extra turbo for the way up.
Yeah. Shoot like a rocket.
So, how do you guys reckon? What do you think about that?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
And we got Coca-Cola Zappos. More than any number.
More than any number. Was it really?
Any number, more than any number. So 2 more than any number.
Oh, yeah, it was a really nice walk. But yeah, it was good. We're going to head down to see if we can't find a vacant campsite now and maybe light a fire.
Have lunch, roast marshmallows, make s'mores. I'm sure making s'mores.
Have a run around.
It's probably because Kim doesn't have her seatbelt on. It's beeping now. Sorry, what was that?
I said, are you on?
Yeah.
Be a perfect spot to camp, wouldn't it?
Looks absolutely amazing down there, but they've closed that campsite off for the winter, so no go. Can't even get down there because the gate will be closed.
Yeah.
Why, Dad?
Just stop. Hold on, don't put it down. Get on.
Eight.
Yeah, let's go there. 8. And you climb up the 2 on it together. Put that in the car.
Debbie, what's my dress? So when I come over here, it's more wide. See? Yeah. Comfortable.
Hey?
Comfortable.
Comfy?
Yeah.
Just a minute.
I'll help you in a minute. Will you wait? What's it, bacon?
I don't know. What do they want?
You want tomato sauce or barbecue sauce?
There's a paper bag over there.
Or
On the other side, brown paper bag.
So how many chips do we need?
Hang on and I'll help you out.
You guys are the best. And you.
Yay. I feel lonely fire. Where? What? You're killing a sausage? Yeah, and look, it's right there. And she put it up the wrong way.
Debbie.
Yeah? Ooh, food.
relax for a minute, you two.
You're just taking up all the space.
Shut up, it.
Just hang on. Maddie, wiggle over a bit.
We're on the other side. Put me back, Debbie.
You've got to change your pants. So
I've opened it up so it's big enough to fit there. Right, yeah. You got half of one each, right?
what do you want, Maddie? Barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Are we winning or not, Benny? Huh? You winning? What's that? Are you winning? Yeah. Winning. Cooking. You're winning, huh?
Working.
You want to cut in half or you just going to eat it like a big one? Hey,
Madison.
you going to eat it like a big one? You can cut in half.
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
Do you want me to cut yours? Cut it.
I'll eat.
Ah? You want a burger? Do you want it on bread or in a wrap? Bread.
It's falling apart.
Oh no! Losing bacon. That's just not right.
All the butters. Alright, lunch is cooked, we're going to eat. Okay, well that was a successful day. We didn't end up doing s'mores and things like that. The campfire wasn't really overly big, but we had a yummy lunch. The kids had some fun, they ran around. That much fun.
And had butter up my leg.
So what did we have to do?
We had to get changed.
Yeah, it was... Yeah, luckily we brought a change of clothes.
Some new clothes.
Yes, so luckily we brought a change of clothes because our children had to get changed.
And because I got
Maddie had a complete new change of clothes.
Yeah, falling over in the mud wasn't a good...
Good thing I got new clothes. I could get some.
Yeah, Uncle Benny gave you some of Skylar's old clothes, so you got a bag of new clothes, which was very lucky.
Yeah, I never get old clothes.
Yeah, because they didn't bring spare jumpers, they only bought pants.
So,
I have a spare dress right on me.
but, excuse you, so, but it is still, the sun has come out, it is an absolutely gorgeous day out here, but it is absolutely freezing still.
Excuse me. It is.
So we're in the car.
Thanks to Benny, we got little heat warmers.
Yeah, Benny and Nels came and snuck him a hand warmer.
Finished?
And Benny brought some hand warmers over for the kids. So they're all going to be nice and happy. But we've just packed everything up. We're gonna mosey on back home, see what we can find on the way. Not sure what we're gonna find. We might stop and get a coffee and maybe get the kidlets a little hot chocolate. We'll see how we go. And
We'll try and show you the camels.
we'll see if we can find some camels. We'll just see what.
Pig.
Okay, pig.
Dalmatian pig.
We'll see what
It is a
happens on the way.
First thing that came to mind when I saw that pig. Dalmatian pig.
But yeah,
Do you know media?
for now,
He's,
just
the camels down here.
hang in there and we'll see what we can find on the way.
Coming up. Think it up.
Got yours.
Alright, we going up?
Yeah, I'm going up the stairs.
Oh, up the stairs.
Alright, so on the way home we thought we'd stop off at the Noojee Trestle Bridge walk. Says it's a 15 to 20 minute walk.
300 metres.
Why do I do this?
Because you didn't want to do a second lap of the waterfall, so
I'm not doing a second lap of the waterfalls.
I did.
There's no way. There's no way we're doing a second lap of the waterfalls.
yeah, I think my legs are dead already. I think I'm done.
So Nels and Skylar decided that they were going to stay in the car. They're a bit exhausted.
Just push me out of the way, Benny.
Ollie and Maddie have ran off. They're just nutcases. They're gone.
And my legs are burning already.
Mine too.
Come on.
I can't. I'm so. My legs are weak.
These stairs. It doesn't. The camera doesn't do this very.
My legs are weak. Legs.
I knew I was unfit.
Camera doesn't do this justice, but
Ow.
this is bad. Hey, look, it's getting harder to walk. My pants are coming down.
Oh, the oldies are too slow.
He's dragging.
I can't like them. We're younger, more energized. Signs.
Warrigal to Noojee. Oh, I can't even read it. The original railway line extended. You read it.
No.
26.
26 miles.
Oh, from Warrigal to Noojee. The section operated from 1919 to 1954 and was used to transport timber, passengers, livestock and produce. The line was dismantled in 1961. The original railway line can be followed for a further 1 kilometre before it disappears into private property where access is not permitted. There you go.
Look, let's get started. The horse is lighter than a car. Let's go, guys.
Oh, alright, let's give it a go.
And the car won't even go off that. This used to have a train.
It did.
So
How can trains go in this?
we did actually start down there. I don't know if you can see the White Ranger.
I can see the White Ranger.
Next to that little tiny
And the
black
Black Beast.
bubble.
All the way down there. And that's not ants down there, that is people. but this is
It's freaking me out.
it's freaking you out. Hey?
Some of them are moving on me.
Hey?
Some of them are moving on me.
Some of them are moving on you, so if you jump on like this.
No! No, Gabby, stop it! It's freaking me out because...
Did you just get your fingers on the...
Did you hit your arm?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm holding on to this.
oh, we've had one. Oh, you can't cry, you're on camera. Did you hit your arm? Was it your not so funny bone? Was it?
I thought you had a... I really did think that you had a...
Oh well, we won't put that on camera. It's on camera. Everybody to see. Oh, there's a spider on the camera. Oh,
I spat on the camera.
oh gross. Sorry about that, everyone. Whoa.
No, Gabby just spat on the camera.
No, Gabby spat on the camera. There was a spider on it and she blew it off. That's not a good sign when the actual handrail is coming apart.
And they've had to weld in a new piece.
It's like, the bridge is perfectly okay. Alright, so how far do you think we've walked?
Mile.
150 metres.
Now we have to find, there is actually a path down there and it weeds its way through all the way down there and all the way up and around there.
There's a path over here.
I know, we've done it.
Maddie, to the side.
Right, buddy, you're on the ground now. Ollie's swimming.
We've done it before. Do you walk over there without getting scared? Jeez, you're tough, bro. Oh, poor bloke. Remember last time everyone slipped down here?
Yeah, I did not.
And it was,
I was the luckiest
listen,
one.
and it was summertime, and it was everything was dry.
Ollie,
Ollie's going to fall on his face. This is going to be hilarious.
Ollie, stop.
Ollie,
I'm holding on to the rail.
Ollie, there's no hospitals around here. So that was the walk done. That's the bridge. Looks like they got some nice new bolts in it.
Yeah.
There'll be some yabbies in there. So,
Slightly bigger pond.
all right, who wants a coffee?
Me.
Yes.
Who wants a hot chocolate?
Me.
Ah.
I said yeah. Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
we are going to sign out for now
Hello.
and
Hello.
go grab a coffee
And hot chocolate.
and a hot chocolate for the kids.
Hello. Can anybody see
And
me? Hello. Can
we'll say goodbyes when we get back in the car in a minute. Okay, well, how was that walk, girls?
That burnt my legs.
Alright, okay, that is probably almost going to do us, unless we decide to film us going to get hot chocolates and coffees, which knowing us, we'll probably cut back in and do that. But in case we don't, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe, that's going to help us out. Like the videos so we know you're watching them. know where we should go if you've got any good spots that we can shoot out and suss out, camp at. That's it.
I was gonna say, even if you haven't been there and you want us to suss it out, we're happy to do that too. So we'll be the test dummies.
Let us go waste our time and suss it out for you so you don't have to. And we can check out whatever you want. So, but yeah, hang in there and you might get some more footage if the camera doesn't die. This is our new one, it's our first time using it, so I don't even know. But we'll see what happens. But if not, we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
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 What is with this horrible weather?
I'm not 100% sure, but the other day when I went to go to that Clyde job, the extent one, they had Thompson's Road roundabout intersection blocked off at Berwick Cranbourne all ways round.
We'll figure that out.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with this weather at all. It's just normal weather for when
Melbourne.
you come home. It's Melbourne.
Melbourne,
Four
sunny
seasons-
1 minute and
4 seasons in one day. Just haven't had the rain yet.
we left in this horrible fog. I'm glad where we went was such a beautiful day.
Maybe it just stayed like this all day.
Yeah. Like, you can't see. Like, you would never have known that we had sunshine 2 hours ago. This is crazy. We need to go back.
It's only 20 past 4 as well in the afternoon, so it's not like it's
Yeah.
nighttime or anything like that.
Yeah. It's just such a change. It's it's creepy.
We're nearly there. Typical Melbourne. Cars running around like idiots with no number plates. So we're going to get off now. Now we know where we are. It's so foggy.
Can't see. Yeah, no, that's Cardinia Road.
That's alright. I'm not even paying attention to where we are at the moment. Well, we stopped and got our coffees, hot chocolates for the kids. Did you enjoy your hot chocolate, girls? Demolish that.
Yeah, as soon as I got it, it was gone.
Yeah, you drank yours pretty quick, didn't you?
What about you, Mad Dog? What do you think of yours? Yummy.
Especially the potato cakes.
Oh yeah, we got your potato cake each.
Like,
How's your coffee?
I didn't mind it actually.
Really?
I know you didn't like yours. No. You're never a fan of takeaway coffee sometimes though. You're a bit of a hit and a miss.
Should have made me own. But
We gotta get some more coffee pods. Top the car back up.
I think I had some in there.